Keeping a workshop organized can be a challenge, especially with tools scattered everywhere. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, efficient tool organization saves time, boosts productivity, and reduces frustration. In today's video, we'll explore the 7 best tool organizers for every workshop. These carefully selected products combine innovative designs, durability, and practicality to suit various needs. Let's dive straight into the top picks for 2024 and find the perfect organizer for your workshop. Number 1. RAK Magnetic Wristband for holding screws, nails, and bits. The RAK Magnetic Wristband is a small but mighty innovation designed to simplify any project that requires screws, nails, or drill bits. This wristband features a sleek, lightweight design made from durable, breathable polyester, ensuring comfort during extended wear. Its adjustable Velcro strap fits all wrist sizes, providing a snug and secure fit for both men and women. Equipped with 10 powerful magnets strategically placed throughout the wristband, it offers an impressive magnetic field capable of holding a variety of small metal tools. This eliminates the need to constantly reach for a toolbox, making it a game changer for tasks like carpentry, home repairs, and DIY projects. The wristband's usability shines in its ability to free up both hands, enhancing efficiency and focus. It's particularly beneficial in tight spaces or when working on ladders, as it keeps essential items within reach. Durable stitching reinforces the product's longevity, even under demanding conditions. Compact and lightweight, the RAK Magnetic Wristband is easy to carry and store. It's not just an organizer, it's a productivity booster for anyone handling small hardware regularly. Affordable and practical, it's a must-have for every workshop.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. DEWALT TSD AK Toolbox, Extra Large Design. The DEWALT TSD AK Toolbox is synonymous with heavy-duty storage and versatility. Its robust design is constructed from industrial-grade plastic with reinforced corners, ensuring durability against daily wear and tear in demanding workshop environments. The extra-large design offers ample space to store larger tools and accessories, catering to professionals and hobbyists alike. Inside, the removable interior tray provides organized storage for smaller items like drill bits, screws, and wrenches, while leaving plenty of room for bulkier equipment underneath. The stackable nature of the TSTAK system allows seamless integration with other TSTAK units, creating a customizable storage solution tailored to your workshop's needs. Usability is enhanced with the ergonomic metal latches and side handles, designed for easy carrying and secure closure. Its water-resistant seal provides added protection for tools against dust and moisture, making it ideal for outdoor projects or damp conditions. The DEWALT TSD AK's quality construction and thoughtful design ensure long-term durability. It's not just a toolbox, it's an investment in better organization and efficiency, offering a reliable solution for keeping tools protected and accessible. Number 3. UP Heavy Duty Tool Organizer, Roll-Up Tool Bag. The UP Heavy Duty Tool Organizer brings portability and space efficiency to workshop organization. Crafted from high-density 600D Oxford cloth, it boasts exceptional tear and wear resistance, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of frequent use. Its rugged design is reinforced with durable stitching and sturdy zippers that maintain their performance over time. The roll-up design is both practical and space-saving, allowing users to store multiple tools while keeping them neatly arranged. The bag features 5 spacious zippered compartments, perfect for holding wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, and other hand tools. An additional clip strap ensures it stays securely rolled up during transport. This organizer excels in portability, with a convenient carrying handle and compact form factor that makes it easy to store in small spaces. Whether you're heading to a job site or organizing tools at home, this bag adapts to your needs with remarkable ease. Its usability isn't limited to tools, it's versatile enough to store crafting supplies or gardening equipment. The durable material ensures long-term reliability, while the thoughtful design simplifies the process of staying organized. Number 4. Afun Chef Aprons for men/women with large pockets. The Afun Chef Apron offers more than just protection during messy tasks. It's also a practical tool organizer for workshops. Made from premium, water-resistant polyester cotton fabric, it's both lightweight and durable, providing comfort and ease of movement during extended use. The apron is designed with multiple large and deep pockets strategically placed across the front, allowing you to keep essential tools like pens, notepads, small wrenches, and screws within easy reach. A secure adjustable neck strap and long waist ties ensure a snug and customizable fit for all body types. Durability is a hallmark of this product, with reinforced stitching at stress points to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The water-resistant material also makes cleaning a breeze, ensuring the apron remains in top condition even after heavy-duty tasks. Its usability extends beyond workshops. It's a versatile accessory suitable for painting, gardening, or cooking. With its thoughtful design and practical storage, the Afun Chef Apron seamlessly combines functionality with style, making it an indispensable addition to any toolkit. Number 5. Akro-Mils 44 Plastic Drawer Storage Cabinet Toolbox. The Akro-Mils 44 Drawer Storage Cabinet is an organizational powerhouse designed to tackle clutter with precision. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, this storage cabinet combines a compact footprint with maximum utility. Featuring 44 drawers of varying sizes, it provides ample space for storing screws, bolts, washers, and other small parts. The transparent drawers make it easy to identify contents at a glance, saving time and effort when locating specific items. Each drawer is equipped with a stop tab to prevent accidental spills, ensuring that your workspace remains tidy. Its versatility is unmatched. It can be mounted on walls or placed on a workbench, making it suitable for workshops of any size. The durable frame withstands heavy use, while the modular design allows for easy expansion to accommodate growing storage needs. The Akro-Mils storage cabinet is not only functional but also highly durable, promising years of reliable service. It's the ultimate solution for professionals and hobbyists looking to organize small parts efficiently. Number 6. Keter Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer. The Keter Stack and Roll Modular Tools Organizer is a masterclass in modular storage. Crafted from heavy-duty polypropylene, it combines lightweight construction with outstanding durability, capable of withstanding the toughest workshop conditions. The stackable and rollable design offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing users to configure their storage system to fit specific needs. Each module features spacious compartments and dividers to organize tools and accessories of various sizes. The large, sturdy wheels and telescopic handle make it easy to transport the organizer across workshops or job sites. Weather-resistant construction ensures that tools remain protected from dust and moisture, even in challenging environments. The secure locking mechanism between modules provides stability during transport, while the ergonomic handles enhance usability. This organizer is built to last, with a sleek, modern design that blends functionality with aesthetics. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking a portable and customizable storage solution. Number 7. Reniteco Drive ABS Tools Socket Organizer. The Reniteco Drive ABS Tools Socket Organizer is the go-to solution for keeping sockets organized and accessible. Made from robust ABS plastic, it boasts exceptional durability and resistance to impact, ensuring long-term reliability. The organizer's precision-engineered design accommodates sockets of various sizes, with clearly labeled slots for easy identification. Its compact structure maximizes storage efficiency, allowing it to fit seamlessly into toolboxes or drawers. With its non-slip base, this organizer stays securely in place during use, even in high-motion environments. The vibrant color coding adds an extra layer of convenience, enabling quick and accurate retrieval of sockets during time-sensitive tasks. The Reniteco organizer isn't just functional, it's built to withstand heavy use in demanding workshops. Whether you're a mechanic, electrician, or DIY enthusiast, this product streamlines your workflow, making it an essential addition to your tool collection. There you have it, our top 7 tool organizers for 2024, each designed to enhance efficiency and reduce clutter in your workshop. Whether you need portability, durability, or a modular system, there's something for everyone on this list. Investing in the right organizer is more than a convenience. It's a step toward a more productive and stress-free workspace. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful recommendations. See you in the next video.